how to use on click event. This is the empty level which I have created. I have made one video on this, how to create new level. Also I have mentioned video link in the description. We will create blueprint actor. Right click in the content drawer, select blueprint class, select actor. We will give name as BP on click event. Now we will open this new blueprint. So here you can see it is totally empty. This is viewport of blueprint. We will add a cube here. Cube. We will assign a different color material. Okay, so what we want to see here, how to use on click event on cube, or how to use on click event on actor. So we will select on cube, and if you go in the detail panel, in the bottom side you will see event section. In events you can observe as a on click event is there. If we hover on click event, you will get a description what exactly it does. So here it is saying event called when the left mouse button is clicked while the mouse is over this component and click event are enabled in the player controller. So that's mean this event will call only when if click event are enabled in the player controller. Okay, so click event must be enabled. So what we'll do is in the event begin play, so get player controller. From here we will set enable, yes, this one, set enable click event. You can see it is under the mouse interface section. So select set enable click events. Now so we will connect it with event begin play, and also we make this variable as a true. So at the start of this script it will make it as a click enable. Okay, so go to the cube, we will go into the down section of detail. Now we will click on the click event. So on this click, so let's say when we click on the cube, let's say cube will get rotated by some degree. Okay, so we will take this cube, we will add rotation, add world rotation. We will add the rotation as a 15 degree. It will move around the Z axis. As you can see, I have put 15 degree in Z. So we will compile, save. We will drag this blueprint. Okay, now let's play. So you can see cube is in front of the player. Whenever we click it, you see cube is getting rotated. Whenever I click, now I'm going to click again. One click, it is rotated by 15 degree. Again second click, it is going to rotate by 15 degree. Third click, fourth click, fifth click. So in this way you can use on click event. I will also show one more application about the cube rotation. Okay, what we will do is we will make the cube rotating on click. and we will stop the rotation of the cube when we click on the cube again. So what we will do, to get continued rotation of the cube, we will connect this with event T. So cube will rotate continuously, but it should start rotation only when I click on the cube. So what we will do, we will create one variable over here. Set rotation. This will be our boolean variable. We will set it. We will take another boolean variable, same variable. Let's take flip-flop. What does flip-flop do? So basically, whenever we click first time, it will execute A pin. Whenever we click second time, it will execute again B pin. When we click third time, it will execute again A pin. So every click it will get execute alternate pin. Okay, so we'll connect A to this, B to this one. On A, when we click first time, cube should start rotation. So we will set it as a true. And again, if we click on cube should get stop. We make this variable false. We will use this variable condition over here. We will take get set rotation. We will take branch. Branch works like if else statement. So when I click first time, it will execute a pin and it will set rotation true. So if it is true, the branch will execute rotation. If I click again on the cube, B will execute. It will set the set rotation variable false and it will execute false pin. So at that time cube should not get rotated. Okay, let's check. Now I'm going to click first time. You see cube is rotating very fast. Now I'm going to click again on the cube. It stopped. Again going to click on cube. Cube rotation is started. Again going to click on cube. It is going to stop. So in this way you see how to use on click event. In the next video we see here like we use a blueprint, and in that particular blueprint we did the functionality. So in the next video what I am going to show you, without creating separate blueprint, we will just drag the components like cube, sphere or any asset over here or any actor over here. On that selection we will make them rotate. Stay tuned with me